Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss the oxidation number of carbon in organic compounds. Oxidation generally refers to increase in oxidation state of an atom. Oxidation of organic compounds corresponds to an increase in oxidation state of carbon. Oxidation of carbon occurs when a bond between carbon and an atom which is less electronegative than carbon is replaced by a bond to an atom that is more electronegative than carbon. You may say in substitution reaction. So there are three main rules responsible for the oxidation state or oxidation number of carbon and organic compounds. First rule is when carbon is bonded to another carbon, carbon will carry oxidation number 0. But when carbon is bonded to a hydrogen, it will decrease the oxidation state of carbon by 1, you may say -1. But this should be clear to you that when carbon is bonded to more electronegative element, it will increase the oxidation state of carbon by 1 degree. So you may say +1. Now check out these rules. First we take the example of methane, CH4. The structural formula of methane is C carbon bonded to 4 other hydrogen atoms. So according to the first rules, carbon will carry oxidation number 0. So the oxidation number of carbon is 0. And there are 4 hydrogen, and the second rule is that when carbon is bonded to hydrogen, it will decrease the oxidation state of carbon by 1, you may say -1. So put the value of -1 in bracket. So the oxidation state in methane will be -4. Now take in other example of ethane. So the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. So carbon bonded, and there are 6 hydrogen bonded to 2 carbon atom. So we take this because carbon is bonded to another carbon, so its oxidation state will be 0 here. Now there are 3 other hydrogen, so 3 multiplied by -1, because again carbon hydrogen bond, it will decrease the oxidation state of carbon by 1 degree. So -3 3 multiplied by -1 is equal to -3. So here in this case the oxidation state or the oxidation number of carbon is -3. Now come to another important example of ethene, C2H4. This is the molecular formula of ethene. Its structural formula is carbon double bond with carbon and hydrogen and other hydrogen. Again the two hydrogen with the second carbon. Take rule number first, carbon 0. There are two hydrogen, so 2 multiply by -1. So minus 2 will be the oxidation state of carbon in ethene. In ethene there is double bond exists. Now take in other example, when there is a triple bond exist. For example, we take propyne C3H4. It is the molecular formula of propyne. Its structural formula is carbon, triple bond with carbon, carbon, single bond with carbon. Here we can see only one hydrogen and here 3 hydrogen. Now we find out the oxidation state or the oxidation number of this carbon. So carbon is already bonded with another carbon by triple bond. So here again 0. Here we can see only one hydrogen. So -1. Its oxidation number will be -1. Now take the example of butane. You may say 2-butane. Okay, C4H6. Now the structure formula of butane is 2-butane. We take a 2-butane, carbon with a carbon, then triple bond, again carbon, and carbon carbon single bond. Here we can see 3 hydrogen and again 3 hydrogen. There are 6 hydrogen exist. So now here carbon carbon bond, we take a carbon carbon bond 0 and carbon carbon bond again 0. So its oxidation state will be 0 in this case. Now the functional group and oxidation state of carbon. Now we take the functional group and oxidation state of carbon. Functional group and oxidation state of carbon. First we take the example of aldehyde. The functional group of aldehyde is dash CHO. Now draw the structure of function of aldehyde as dash carbon, double bond with oxygen and hydrogen. Here they should be clear that in this case we will deal oxygen as plus 2. In this case we will deal oxygen as plus 2. Normally, an inorganic compound, it carries the valency number of oxygen is minus 2. But in such type of cases in organic chemistry, we deal oxygen as plus 2. So the oxidation state of this carbon is 0. First we take it 0. Then oxygen plus 2. And then there is only one hydrogen, and according to rule number 2, it will decrease the oxidation state of carbon by 1 degree. So there is minus 1. So the total oxidation state of carbon is minus 1. There is another important example of formaldehyde. Okay. In this case, carbon is bonded with oxygen by a double bond and with hydrogen by a single bond each. Now we take oxygen here plus 2, hydrogen plus 2, carbon 0, hydrogen plus 2, carbon 0, oxygen plus 2. Then there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, Ketone or ketone. The functional group of keto group is CO, CO. The structure of this functional group is carbon double bond with oxygen. So here we may take R and R on the other side. Or draw this structure again, carbon double bond with oxygen, then CH3, CH3. So there is a bond with another carbon. So according to the rules number first, carbon-carbon bond will carry oxidation number 0. So 0. On this side 0. On another side it is also 0. Okay, take one side plus 2. So its oxidation number will be plus 2. The oxidation number of carbon and keto group is plus 2. Now for ethers, the functional group of ether is dash O dash. Now take the example of dimethyl ether. So oxygen bonded with methyl group, and in other side it is also a methyl group. We take this carbon with hydrogen. So carbon with oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, so it will increase the oxidation state of carbon by 1 degree. So put the value of 1 here for carbon oxygen bond. Plus there are 3 hydrogen attached with this carbon, so 3 N2 minus 1, so the total number will be plus 1 and minus 3, so minus 2 will be the oxidation state of this carbon. Now come to the last one. That is carboxylic acid. So the functional group of carboxylic group is dash COOH. Its structure will be carbon, double bond with oxygen, and again with OH. Now carbon and hydrogen, as we have already mentioned, that here we will deal this oxygen as plus 2 and carbon and oxygen plus 1. So in such type of functional group, the oxidation state of carbon will be plus 3. This is an interesting example. In other cases, carbon carries -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, again -1, 0, +2, -2, and +3. There are 2 cases in today's lecture in which carbon atom carries +2 and +3. So dear students, thank you very much. This was the easiest way to find out the oxidation number of carbon and organic compounds by 3 simple rules. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.